Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So let's step into CVS and check out the deals starting March 30th. So I will say it's a pretty slow week here at CVS, but like I say every single week when it comes to these CVS deals, there are so many other deals you can go ahead and create on your own with your personalized CRTs, and there's just tons of stuff inside CVS that could equal a good deal. So let's go and take a look at some of those. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and start off in the cosmetics section. So CoverGirl Cosmetics this week is going to be buy two and get a $6 extra care buck. So I'm going to share with you guys the freebie, and then I'm going to share with you guys another option you guys could consider doing. So anytime these deals roll around, you can always get the free brow pencils. So they are priced for $4.99, and you can use two of the 2 off 1 coupons that came in the 324 Smart Source, and then you're going to get that $6 extra care buck back. So it makes it a 2-cent moneymaker, but there's supposed to be a mystery coupon coming from the red machine, so that could potentially make this a moneymaker. So great deal if you want to get some brow pencils. So you can also pick up 2 of the professional mascara. So it's the blue tube. My store has these priced for $6.49. You can pick up 2 of these guys and then use 2 of those 2 off 1 coupons from the 324 Smart Source. So you would pay $8.98 and then you get that $6 extra care buck back. But if you have a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, then that's going to make this a 2-cent moneymaker as well, and then a bigger moneymaker with that instant coupon. So if you have a cosmetic CRT, definitely pair it here so you can get some free brow pencils, get some free mascara. There's tons to choose from the CoverGirl line. All right, you guys, so if you held on to your simple coupon, the buy one get one free coupon, this is going to be a great deal for you guys. Hopefully you guys held on to it. So simple, St. Ives, Noxzema, they're on a spend 12, get $4 back in extra care bucks. What you're going to want to do is pick up one of these simple face washes. So this is the Micellar Facial Gel Wash. So this is priced for $8.49 here at my store. My store also has these priced for $8.49, so plus $8.49. So now we're down to $16.98. Okay, so now you can use that buy one get one free coupon, but it does expire on the 31st. So this is a Sunday only deal or early activation deal if you have early activation. So this coupon came from 317 Retail Me Not. So we're at $16. So now we're at $16.98. My coupon says it's a limit of $8 that the coupon, that's the max value of the coupon. So now you're down to $8.98, but then you earn back that $4 extra care buck back, making it $4.98. And then if you have a CRT for facial care, then definitely pair it here. Now prices are going to vary between region and state. Wherever you are, it may vary. You may be able to get this cheaper, but my store, these items are priced for $8.49. So great deals on some simple here at CVS. So we have a deal on some Suave hair care as well as deodorant. So they are on a spend 10, get $3 back in extra care bucks. So what you can do is pick up 2 of these Suave Professionals. These are priced for 2 for $6, and we're getting 3 off 2 coupons coming in our insert. So the Retail Me Not is always where you're going to find the Unilever insert. So we have that coupon coming. So what you want to do is pick up 2 of the Suave Professionals hair care. So you can do shampoo, conditioner, or you can do the 2-in-1. So they are 2 for $6. And then you also want to pick up 2 of the Suave deodorant. So these are priced for 2 for $4. So your total comes to $10. So it's an easy scenario to get to $10. And then use 1 of the 3 off 2 Suave Professional hair care coupons that are coming in the Retail Me Not. And then use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 coupons for the Suave deodorant. So you're going to pay $6, but then you get $3 back in extra care bucks. So all 4 items come out to 75 cents each. So you're going to get 2 shampoos or conditioners, and you're going to get 2 deodorants. So I think that is a great deal, you guys. All right, you guys, so the cash card is back. So select items are spend 30, get $10. So there is a lot of Procter Gamble items because it's Procter Gamble week. But I think that there's a great sale just on the Always and Tampax. So they are on sale 2 for $8, and we're getting a 3 off 2 coupon coming in our P&G. So now you're down to 2 for $5. And then if you have any CRTs that come your way for feminine care, this would be a really great deal. So I think 2 for $5 or $2.50 each on its own without doing the spend 30, get 10, I think is a great deal. Alrighty, so I have another deal on some feminine care for you guys. So this is going to be on the U by Kotex. You can do this on the pads or you can do this on the tampons. So they are buy one, get one 50% off, and they are buy two and get a $2 extra care buck. This is a limit of one. So what's awesome about this deal is that it is not excluding the little panty liners, you guys. So my store has these priced for $1.89. So you'd buy one for $1.89, and then the second one is going to ring up 94 cents. So go ahead and pick up two of them. So now you're at $2.83, and then you get back that $2 extra care buck, making it 83 cents for the both of them, or just 41 cents. This is a great deal. 41 cents. Yes, you definitely need to come in here and snag this. It's going to be a moneymaker if you have a CRT for feminine care. So like I was mentioning, depending on the CRTs you have, you can come in here and find some gems of a deal. So I think this is definitely a gem of a deal right here. Okay, so we also have some insert coupons for Kotex. So these are in the 317 Smart Source. So there's $1 off one package. It excludes the liners. $1 off one package of U by Kotex liners, not valid on the 14 through 22 count. And then $1 off one package U by Kotex, not valid on travel size or travel packs. But this coupon, the verbiage on it, it says $1 off one package of U by Kotex product, not valid on trial or travel size. So I think that this coupon right here that came in the 317 Smart Source, I think you can use this on the liner because it does not say you can't, it doesn't say exclude liners, but if you look on this coupon right here, it says it excludes the liner. So it says on any one package of U by Kotex liners, it excludes the 14 through 22 count, but here it just says any U by Kotex product. So if you have this coupon right here, you should be able to use it on the liners, but you can't use the coupon on the liner for this one or this coupon right here because it excludes it. But this one, the verbiage says just no travel and trial. So I think that this coupon will be okay to go ahead and use on the liners. So that can make for an even better deal. So instead of 83 cents, it makes them free. So awesome. You guys, so we have a nice deal on the Easter M&Ms. So the Easter M&Ms are priced for $2 for $5, and you're gonna get $1 extra care buck back when you buy two of them. And we still have those $1 off two coupons that came in our Retail Me Not. So final cost after your coupon and extra care buck is going to be $1.50 each. So this is a great deal. This next deal is gonna be on the Cadbury mini eggs. So these are priced for, well, first of all, this is the 8-ounce bag. It seems like these bags have gotten smaller over the years. This looks a lot smaller than I remember it. So they're priced of buy one, get one free. So you would buy one for $4.49. And then if you still have your $1 off two coupon that came in our red machine, it printed at the red machine, then you're going to take $1 off, so you can get two of them for $3.49. So not bad. All right, guys, so we have some great cereal deals this week. So the Kellogg's Rice Krispies, as well as the Fruit Loops. My store is out of Fruit Loops, it looks like. Oh wait, no. So the Rice Krispies, as well as the Kellogg's Fruit Loops. These guys are on sale for $1.99, along with the Fruity Pebbles and the Honey Bunches of Oats. So all the cereals that I mentioned are on sale for $1.99, which I think is great. So if you're one to make Rice Krispie treats for Easter, then definitely snag them.